So this is how the hostel room at an IIT look like. So you can see me, this is my new mic. Like I tried different mics but they didn't work well, but this is my earphone, so I taped it with a random stick and it's working well. I liked it. And currently I am living in the Hall of Residence 14. So this is for all first year M.Tech and PhD people. So it will be like double sharing or triple sharing room. So we will get a single room in second year only. So do you know why it is called as Hall of Residence 14 instead of Hostel 14 or Hall 14? There is a very good reason for it. So the reason is like someone told that it is a home from what?
One eternity later.
It is a home away from home. So that is the reason they put the name Hall of Residence 14. It is a good idea. If you come and visit my room in a random day, it will be look like a dustbin. So I will show you that one also. So see. Okay, this is my room number F105. Okay, let's go and see what is inside. As you can see, like they provided the mirror. It was good. My room is a triple bed sharing room, so you can see the wide angle shot. That middle one is mine, and these are the two cupboards which are given by the hostel. So those are my luggages. I will open the cupboards and I will show you what is inside. So this is my portion. These are all my clothes, and these are my shoes. These are what? These are Chelsea boots, and these are my books. Let's see the other one. Okay, these are my products. It's okay. These are all my clothes again. So this is my badminton racket. Like I will show you. In the beginning I played every day, but now I am not playing. So as you can see, this is my table. Like mostly I will study and edit my videos here. Like before making the video I will write the script in this book, and I like growing plants inside my room. Like as you can see, this is the snake plant, so it gives more oxygen. I don't know what is this feather, but it looks like good, so I bring it to my room. And you know, I think you know this one. This is a peacock leaf, peacock feather. Sorry. This was given by the one security guard. He is a very good man. And this one is like just a normal lamp. Like whenever the current is gone, I will use this one. This is the old map. This is the India map. So this is for just the general knowledge. As you can see, this is my bed. So my bottle, watch, brush, clothes, earphones, tape, everything, bag. So you can ask me how you will sleep. Like I will show you. So as you can see, too much messy. So I will show you how I will sleep. It's like grab all the clothes, put it on the chair, and this is how you can sleep. This is the mesh, so no mosquitoes and insects can't come inside my room. Now I will show you my shoe collection. Like, I not that much good, but I will show you. These are my climbing shoes, so whenever I was going for climbing, I will wear them. And these are my running shoes, like whenever I was doing running I will wear them. And these are my normal slippers. We have one fan and one light. Oh, not one, two lights. To record this video I off the fan, so because there is no so much noise. Okay, meet you in the next video.